A hawk leads this parade of all kinds of different critters. I'm not quite sure what kind of hawk it is. It was far and it was moving fast. I surprised a coyote near the water and it took off slowly. I have been asked to remind you that coyotes are large and relatively dangerous predators. Please do not disturb. Also, please do not disturb as they are raising pups and you would not want the mother affected by this while she's raising the pup. Please leave them alone. The wood duck landed really close to me, which is very surprising as they are very wary. But it did, and it swam around the pond for quite a while, so here are some of the better pictures. A great blue heron was hanging around. Here it's on the branch. You'll get it from the other side till it flies away. And then a little while later, after I'd walked away and come back, you have it on the turtle sunning log. Swifts make a morning appearance. I think they grab insects right off of the pond surface. So you've got them at high speed and then you've got them in slow motion. And they are amazing and almost impossible to get good pictures of. And we finish up with a turtle that actually seemed to be pretty close. I'm not sure why it's staying so close to me.